Hey everybody, I am here with Abby.
Hello.
I am going to be creating a card, and all of the products are going to be listed in the description box down below. So I am using mostly Tonic Studios supplies. I am part of, I guess, like a social media team, I would say. And this is my first post for September. I am using some of the Merry and Bright collection, as well as one of their stamp sets, which is right here.
That's a pretty color that you're using.
It is, huh? So, let's see if you guys can see it.
Oh, it's like bluish green, so it's like teal.
It's called Peony Bloom. And I am using some Nuvo hybrid inks to color the flowers, which I stamped with Versamark ink and used some black embossing powder, this one here. It's hard to tell. I'll work on the lighting for this, but I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different, to show my face and to interact with you guys a little bit differently. I feel like it's a little bit more personable if you guys can see my face. Anyways, I am using the Moroccan teal color, and I'm using the watercolor brush from Tonic Studios and using some watercolor paper as well. Very simple technique here, just adding a little bit of water down on the petals and then a little bit of the color, and then it kind of spreads out on its own, and then I'll add a little bit more water and kind of spread it out a little bit and continue to do that for these flowers. They are absolutely gorgeous. Careful.
Oh, sorry.
It makes a really big sound when you hit it.
Oh.
So the mic is right here. Let's see. You guys can see.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you if I could tell the names of these.
Oh, sure.
So there's sliced strawberry. Ooh, delicious. Sliced strawberries. Moroccan teal. Moroccan teal. Marble statue. So sliced strawberry,
Moroccan teal,
and marble statue.
Yep.
Moroccan sounds weird.
Why?
I'm rocking.
You're rocking and rolling, huh?
Yeah.
This is kind of fun because as they watch me color, they can kind of interact with you.
Ooh.
Look, if you look here, right there. You're looking straight at him. So say hi.
Hello.
This is going to be just a little screen in the upper right-hand corner of the video, so they won't be able to see you too big, but I thought it would be fun. And let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you guys like, seeing my face while I'm doing a voiceover. Abby won't be, unfortunately, in it all the time because she does go to school. But let me know if it's something that is a little bit different. I'm trying to figure out ways to bring something different to my channel and my videos to make them more entertaining, and so more people will watch them. All right, hold on, baby. I got to tell them what I'm doing here. Okay. All right, so I am using the Nuvo Embellishment Mousse in Honeydew, which is a really pretty color. And again, what you want to do when you get the embellishment mousse is put saran wrap or press and seal on top of it. This has the foam lid, not the paper lid, just in case so that it doesn't dry out. I am using, where'd it go? All the way over here. I'm using this brush to blend out the design, and I'm using a Tonic Studios stencil as well. And again, the supplies will be listed down below. I am trimming down the panel so that it is 4 by 5 1/4. And now I am taking some Tonic Studios, what is that called? Right here again. I thought I was prepared, but I'm not. All right. Glitter card Turquoise Lake, and trimming down a little piece just to give the card a little bit pizzazz, don't you think?
Pizzazz.
All right. Then I die cut out a thanks sentiment. Also, again, a Tonic Studios product. And then I am going to just adhere everything. So I used some blue, dark blue, like navy cardstock, just some that I had in my stash. And then I thought the turquoise and the blue would go really nicely together. I'm using some adhesive, some Deluxe adhesive from Tonic Studios. Let's see if everybody can count how many different faces Abby makes in the video. All right. So I am, again, adhering everything to the card base here, which is measured 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I am adding another strip of paper, which is just some white paper, just to add a little bit of interest. I am popping up the main floral image with some pop dots from scrapbook.com. And these are actually really great. I have a hard time pulling off the backings on some of the foam adhesives, so these were really easy to do. No sticking out your tongue. All right, so I popped the main floral image up, and then I am going to adhere the smaller floral images right to the bottom and then the top. What are you looking for?
Callie, she's in the window.
She is in the window.
Yeah, maybe later we can show her. Maybe.
We'll see.
She's been on camera.
And I did cut these out by hand. I don't think that there is a die set for these. They were pretty simple to cut out, so I didn't look for a die set when I purchased them. All right. Let's see. What is next? What do you think's next? Oh, the thanks. So it has this really pretty, like, curvy type of dilly on the ends, and I cut that off because I wanted it to fit on my card. I think I don't know if
I'm trying not to go too fast so people will be able to count it.
Oh, okay. All right, so I am now adding the Deluxe adhesive to the thanks die cut here, and there is a what is it?
When you're done with that, can I say something?
So it has the background and then the really thin die that I'm using now. That way, if you need to or you want to, you can have that show up a little bit more. I just used a thin one. I am using the, what is that? I am not prepared here. The glitter gloss pen, shimmer pen, to add some shimmer to the flowers. I thought that that was a really nice little touch there. And it just gives a very subtle glitter shimmer, really nice to add to any project. So again, probably 95% of the products I'm using are from Tonic Studios. So be sure to check them out and check out their Instagram page as well. I think you're going to be pretty distracting in this video. I finished up the card with some Nuvo drops, and I'm just moving the top flower image just a tad so that it's tucked away just a little bit more. And I don't mind pulling things up. And I'm just going to place that there, and that is going to complete the card. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It is Tiffany Solorio _ creates on Instagram. And here's another look at the card. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I wanted to say something though.
Oh, hold on. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And leave me a comment down below just saying hi. Say hi to Abby. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Bye.
First, I'm going to say something now.
That's it. That's the end.